Hello everyone. In the second video, we are going to learn the next four parts of speech. Okay, so in our previous video, we learned about the first four parts of speech. Totally, we have eight parts of speech. In the second part of the video, we are going to learn the rest of the four. Okay, so let's get started. Yes, okay, so let's start with adjectives. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modify a noun or pronoun. Okay, adjective is a word that describes what? That describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, so it is descriptive word. Okay, so one adjective can change the meaning of whole sentence. Okay, so one adjective. Okay, so it is having a lot of power, so it can change the meaning of a whole sentence. Look at here. It was a boring day. Okay, so it was a boring day. Boring is an adjective. Okay, so if you don't have this boring, it was a day. Okay, that's just that's it. Okay, but here boring is an adjective and it could change the whole sentence. Look at here. It was an exciting day. Okay, so it is completely different, right? So can you can you see how this is changing, isn't it? In first sentence, it was a boring day. Okay, but in second sentence, it was an exciting day. Okay, yes, this is how an adjective will change. Okay, change a sentence, entire sentence. An adjective can tell what kind, okay, which one or how, all these things. Let's move on to the next one, that is adverb. Okay, so next parts of speech. Okay, that is adverb. So what is an adverb? An adverb that describes or modifies a verb. Okay, name itself is indicating it is adverb. So adding some more meaning to verb. Okay, so that is adverb. Okay, adjective. Adjective is a modifying word for what? Nouns. Okay, but adverb is modifying words for verb. Okay, or it can be adjective. Okay, adverb can be the modifying word for adjective or another adverb also. Okay, so it is very talented. Okay, so adverb that modifies a verb. Okay, so that is slow. Okay, so how it is talking about how slow. Okay, so how a particular thing or particular action is happening. Okay, so example for how is slowly. Okay, he is walking slowly. Okay, so how is he walking? Slowly. Okay, so that is the example. And where? Okay, so it is talking about at which place. Okay, so what could be the answer? Outside. Okay, where he is standing. Okay, where is he standing? He is standing outside. Okay, and then when. Okay, it is talking about time. Okay, later or now. Okay, so all these are some examples for this. Okay, so when will you come to school? Later. Okay, to what extent? Okay, so that is another. And thoroughly. Okay, so I checked thoroughly. Okay, so to what extent you checked? I checked thoroughly. Okay, so all these are some examples for adverb. Okay, so it is slowly. Okay, it is walking slowly, right? Let's move on to interjection. Okay, so what is interjection? Interjection is a word or words that show feelings. Okay, so interjection, that means these words will help us to show our feelings. So if it stands alone, it will follow by an exclamation point. Okay, so if it is standing alone, if interjection, hey is an interjection, and it is standing alone here, so you have to write exclamation mark. Okay, but if it is in a sentence, okay, if it begins a sentence, you have to write it with a comma. Well, okay, well, comma, I never knew that. Okay, so interjection is a word that helps you to show your feelings. Okay, so look at here how he is just Yeah, showing his feeling. Hey, I need help, please. Okay, so here he is crying for help. Okay, so that means he is showing his feelings. Okay, so this is an interjection, hey as well as please. Yes, next one is conjunction. Okay, so conjunction. So what is conjunction? A word that connects a group. Okay, so a word that connects two words, okay, or group of words, that is called as conjunction. So I'm going to the store and the bank. Okay, so here and is the conjunction which is connecting the bank as well as rest of the sentences. Okay, so a conjunction work like a bridge. Okay, so a conjunction is just work like a bridge. Okay, so if you want to move on to one bank to another bank in a river, so you will use bridge. Okay, like that this conjunction is also acting like a bridge, okay, for this sentence and this words. Okay, right. So these are the parts of speech, 8 parts of speech. What are they? Don't forget the 8 parts of speech, children. What are they? Nouns, pronouns, verbs, prepositions, adjectives, adverbs, interjection. And what is the last one, children? Yes, it is a conjunction. Okay, very nice. That's all, children. With this, we have completed parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8. Okay, so totally we have 8 parts of speech. So don't forget this, children, but don't forget all the 8. Okay, so in our next videos, we will learn about all these parts of speech individually. Okay, yes, thank you, children.